Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a toddler toy review on this little pop-up, what does it say here? A beautiful cubby house from Creator. Is that a Y or a V? It's Creator. And it looks like just a pop-up tent. I'm gonna take this off here. Take off this little elastic band. And oh, it's a cute little tote. So it's very portable, very compact, very flat. I'm gonna just unzip this and see what it looks like. Okay, so in this little zipper bag, there are these little tent poles, and it looks like the body, the pop-up tent, the body of the tent. So I'm gonna go put this together in the other room, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Here's a better view of what the tent looks like. It's just kind of in a circle, and let's see how we can put this together. Here are the tent poles. They're kind of like real tent poles, and they're all connected, and you just kind of twist them all together. But I can't find where to put them actually in here. So this, it just popped open, and I just have to put the sticks in. But where to put the sticks in? Okay, I'll figure this out. Be right back. Someone's excited. Don't step on your tree house, your tent, your fort. Alright. Okay, so here are the instructions here. Okay. Oh, careful, baby. So pop up the tent. Put in the sticks. Oh, they're pictures and I can't really see them that well. So, okay. Guess I'll have to just... I'm like feeling around in the tent. I don't find any like seams for the poles to slip into, but anyways, here is... This is for ages 3 and up, but I think my baby's okay to play. Oh, it's a cubby house. It comes in 2 colors, pink or blue. I got the blue for the babe. What does that even say? Okay, it looks like you just pop it up and you put the sticks in. Why is it so hard? Alright, we'll try again. Okay, so I decided to assemble the sticks first, and they go up. There's 3 of them. They go up and they curve up there into a point. I'm guessing there's like a 3 triangle on the side, on the top, and then it goes down 3 sides. So I'm gonna look inside to look for 3 slots for this. I finally figured out how to put in the poles. So what happens is there's a little flap on the very top, and you connect that, and then on the side there is a tie, and you just tie the pole in place, and on the bottom there's a little slot for the end of the pole to go into. And after you do that, so on the top there are 3 pockets, 1, 2, 3 for the poles to go into. And I think, oh, is this one in the right one? Yeah, it is. Okay, and then it's done. And this one is like blue stars in the sky. Here's the door opening. It has little Velcro on the ends here, so that you can Velcro it. On the outside of the tent here, there's a Velcro, and you can just stick that on, but there is still gaps on the sides there. And then I'll just give you a tour of the pop-up play tent. Here it is tall enough for a toddler to stand up. There are little mesh windows, 1 and 2 mesh windows on either side. And here's this guy. He was laying in it the whole time I was trying to put it together. He's so excited. He loved it so much, huh, baby? And this was the most affordable play tent I could find on Amazon. It was, I believe, $19, $18.99. And yeah, super cool. A lot more sturdy than this other fort set that he got as a present. But that was fun, but it kept falling down. It was just annoying for the parents, but the kids loved it. But yeah, it's kind of wrinkly now because, you know, I just took it out of the package. But I think over time it'll just stretch out and look really cute. There we go. And I think this is a great place for him to take a nap and stuff, and it fits me in it. So it can fit a 5'3" adult and a little 2-year-old toddler. Very spacious, very affordable. I'll give you a tour of the outside. I forgot to mention there is also this little tie here so that you can roll up the door and then tie it in so that it can stay tied up. This little guy knocked out. He loves the sleep tent so much, he just went in there and went straight to sleep. This is awesome. Totally worth the money at this point. Yay! Okay, and here is what it looks like when it's rolled up. There's this guy. This thing is so cool. Alright. Okay, here is the play tent in all its glory. So there's the flap opening. And I'll just give you a little 360. Again, there's the mesh window. So if your kid's inside, you can still see him a little bit. See that? And let me just step back and give you a full view. There we go. There's the play tent. It's super cool, super easy to assemble once you figure it out. You have to actually be inside the tent to put it together, though. That was probably the only hard part. I was thinking they were like little seams, like pocket seams like this. Well, maybe you can't see it there. That's the actual pole, but I thought the seams had slots in them to put the poles through, but it doesn't. So it's kind of just pocketed on the top and bottom, and then you tie it on the corner for structure. And yeah, I like it. This gets a thumbs up. Super cool. The baby loves it. He has not gotten out of it. Even before I built it, he was crazy about it. He calls these tree houses, and this is so cool. Hopefully it helps him take a nap, and also so he won't roll around everywhere, because he moves a lot in his sleep. So let's take a look. Oh, so cute. Anyways, this is the Starry Night. I like stars. I think it's kind of like a unisex thing. But there is a pink version. This one is a blue one. But I personally am not a fan of pink, so I got a blue one. And yeah, thanks for joining us. I'll put the link for this pop-up play tent / what did it say? Cubby house / tree house / fort in the description box down below. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.